Hello friends, I hope you all are having a great day. So here we are again with a new video. It's about 4-stroke engines starting video, and this engine is Honda 4-stroke GX35, and you can see we have already put some mobile oil in the engine oil tank, and the mobile oil we use is 20W40 or 10W30. Both of the variants are very good for any 4-stroke engine. People use this on their bikes also, and these engine oils are very easily available on any petrol pump, so no need to worry about the availability. We have put some 80 ml of engine oil in this engine oil tank, and now we are going to fill our fuel tank with some dry petrol. So I have already told you that any 4-stroke brush cutter will have 2 tanks, so always keep this in mind that a 2-stroke brush cutter will have only single tank, whereas a 4-stroke brush cutter will have 2 tanks, one for engine oil and the other one is for dry petrol. So after putting the dry petrol in our fuel tank, we have to work up our carburetor. Yes, so now we have to push this prime bulb so that we can see some petrol in this. We can see the petrol going and coming from these fuel pipes, so that we can know now our engine is ready to be started. Okay, if you don't follow this particular step, your engine is never going to start. We have our start and stop button at our handle only, so you can just push the button. 0 is off, 1 is on, so you have to put your brush cutter on 1 and you have to kick your recoil starter. Now voila, your brush cutter is now running very smoothly. It's a 4-stroke brush cutter, so it is comparatively very smooth. Now you can see that we have to accelerate with our handle, and the brush cutter and the trimmer head will move smoothly. The spin happens at around 7500 to 8500 rpm, so you cannot see with naked eyes the wire or maybe the blade spinning, but when they'll close this, you'll be able to see that yes, there are threads showing, so it was spinning, right? So you will notice that these kind of trimmer heads are used for lawn grass and soft grass, whereas we use blades for some bushes. Now please see, there you have one red button in the middle. So this button is for a constant speed. If you want to maintain a constant speed, you have to push the upper and lower red buttons and then push this middle red button to have that constant speed, and at 0 the brush cutter will stop. So we have seen this particular process and it was very easy, but when we don't know it, we don't follow the process, the brush cutter never starts and people get demotivated, customers get demotivated that my brush cutter is not working. So here we have this video now, so everyone anywhere in the world can now start the brush cutter on his own. If you like to see these kind of videos, and if you want some simple tips on how to maintain your brush cutter or how to maintain your garden machines, you can always comment, and your comment are always motivating. So thanks a lot for commenting and subscribing and motivating me in many ways. Thanks for being with us. Thank you all.